Hi guys, welcome to COTV. Today we're playing Slime Rancher. I sucked him up! Come here, dude. I want you. Thank you. No. Boom, boom. Go in there. Yay, we can jump on your head. Eat up. Eat up. Oh, he's gonna eat him. You're gonna eat him. Up, here. Here you come. I don't want to suck you up. Oh my god. Sorry, love. Oh! Give me this. Give me all of you. I want you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, I need you. Give me you. Let me you. Let me at them. Okay, guys. I got this box that we're gonna throw away from these guys. Yeah. See ya. Oh hi. Hey yo, look. Look, people. Da 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 da. Hey, I want you guys to be free. I want you guys to be free. Number 3. Eat the carrot. I want this. I got 14 dudes. Take my money. Yay! Now be free. It's Friday slime. Oh yeah! Oh, sing about it. Oh, got mail. Thank you two up. Thank you guys up. Oh no, I'm trying to get to my camera. I'm making a farm over here. Pussy. Number 3, carrots. Oh my goodness, I love when them fall. The bladder. Hi. Oh hi, trying to jump over? Whoa, I'm trying to get you up. Oh, you guys want to get back in? Oh, this guy's sick. Okay, bum 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 bum. Well, but it's a free and carrots for all of you! So let me get all of it! Oh, Birdie! Save him! Take this! Come here! Eat it! Are you hungry? Oh, these guys are hungry. Oh, it's like them up. Dudes, hungry! I want you. Yum. I want him. Chicken coop. What's that McDonald's? Here. Okay. Okay, we're going to. What's up? You okay, dude? Are you just chilling? Just chilling. You want to eat? Baby chicken, think I eat it. Okay, we got water, we got health, we got jetpack. Oh, Lord, jetpack. I need to suck you up. Suck you guys up. Oh my goodness. I love this now. I'll send you on a mission. Go, 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 go. You all follow me. Yeah. Let's go straight up. Catch him. Oh, I gotta catch him. I gotta catch him. What are you doing? Are you just chilling? Are you just chilling? I got a carrot farm. Let's see how much this is. Oh my god, this is expensive. I got a lot of money. I'm mostly just going for that. Yeah, this is gonna be my pair. This is my goal. I'm gonna put my goal right there. This is gonna be that my goal thing. That what I'm gonna achieve today. Are you ready to get a new farm? Yeah, you're happy. You're happy like I am. Like, he's literally happy. Oh. I need this, thank you. Hey, I bought you a new friend. Oh, is that like her? Whoa. Look. Look. Oh. I see it, my camera's closed. Oh, time on. Oh, is I'm wrong? Nope, I'm wrong yet. No, you are not all going there. What is this? Wait, are you done? Can you kill them? No, you wanna go all the way. What the? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's up? Ooh, what's over here? Hey, nope. Wrong thing. Hang on, let me get my goal thing. Oh, I got the mail. Okay. We're gonna get dark out, God. Baby chick, come with me! Enough money. Oh, hi. Okay, I'm going to get my gold thing. I just forgot 2 times. I don't mean to do. Let me get the derby soon. When you come over here, this is my goal. How much money is this? $100. Okay, we're going lower. I'm ready to roar. Hey, you guys might be hungry. Want a chicken? Who's gonna eat that? In the morning. Oh. Oh. I just started them up. My goodness. I got a bunch in my mouth. Okay, this is called No Bad Guys Allowed. Oh, nice. Nice, all these bad guys. Oh, nice. Nice, I got 15. Thanks. There you go. Oh! You guys are hungry? You're not hungry? Are you hungry? You're hungry? Oh, you're going for that. You're going for that. Want that carrot? No, you're not hungry anymore. Dude. Oh, someone ate that. Someone ate it. Thank you. Okay, wait. To the morning, guys. Okay, 3, 1, 2. Oh, you two hungry? Oh, yeah, you are hungry. You two are hungry. What time are you going to be hungry? Oh, both of you ate. Okay. Let me get all these carrots. Are you hungry? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? You look so happy. I love all the happy ones. Hi! Look at the moon. Looks like it's nighttime. Oh. Oh, good sight. Oh. All my slimes are probably hungry. All these slimes are probably hungry. Feed up! Eat up! We have that. Run. Didn't mean that. Hi. Hi. Thanks.